In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a channel on Slack. Keeping your Slack channels organized is an important part of making sure conversations stay relevant and that the right people have access to the right spaces. Removing someone from a channel only affects that specific channel. It does not remove them from the overall Slack workspace. And if the channel is private, they will immediately lose access to that channel and its message history. Before you begin, it helps to know that permissions can vary depending on the type of channel. In public channels, workspace members can generally remove other users. In private channels, this is usually limited to the channel creator, a workspace admin, or a workspace owner. Also, no one can be removed from the main general channel, since that channel is required for all workspace members. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Then sign in to your workspace if needed. From the left-hand sidebar, look under your channels list and click the channel you want to manage. Once that channel is open, move to the top of the chat window and click the channel name in the header. This opens the channel details panel where you can view settings and member information. Inside that pop-up window, look just below the channel title and find the navigation tabs. Click the Members tab. This will open the full member list for that channel. And you should also see a search field at the top to help you quickly find a specific person. Click into the Find Members search box and type the name or username of the person you want to remove. As you type, Slack will filter the member list for you, which makes the process much faster, especially in larger channels. Once you see the correct profile appear in the list, move to the right side of that person's row and click the More Options icon, shown as 3 vertical dots. A drop-down menu will appear with available actions for that member. In that menu, click Remove from Channel. Slack will then show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. If everything looks correct, click the Remove button to confirm. As soon as you do that, the member is removed from the channel instantly. In most cases, Slack will also post a small system notification in the conversation letting the channel know that the person was removed, and that's it. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.